Okay, so chapter 14.6, or this is the last section of chapter 14. And so just kind of dealing with our final adjustment and finishing up the worksheet. So the first thing we have to know is that a corporation is the only form of a business that actually has to pay our federal income taxes. And so as we are recording this, our first account we'll use is our federal income tax expense, and it has a increase in normal balance on the debit, decrease on the credit, and it would be part of our owner's equity. And then our second account is going to be our federal income tax payable. And this one, I don't know why normal balance is in between there, but it has a decrease on the debit and normal balance and increase on the credit. And it would be a liability. And so to make the adjustment, we first have to determine the net income before federal income tax expense. And so in our work together, you'll see they give us a little area to calculate all of that. And then to record that adjustment, we'll take whatever we calculate as our federal income tax. We will subtract out our quarterly installment. So it just means what we've already paid in to get whatever that federal income tax adjustment is. And then to calculate our net income after federal income tax, we'll take our total of our income statement credit and subtract out the total of our income statement debit and arrive at our net income after federal income tax. And that's all there is for notes. You can go ahead and start the other video for the work together. And when you're done with that, of course, there is Schoology, and then just working on whatever you need to complete your packet.